What is going on YouTube? It's Z Got Kicks here to bring you guys my very first YouTube video. And let me tell you guys, in this video, I'm coming with a banger. As you guys can probably tell already from the thumbnail, I have been very fortunate to be selected to buy probably the most hyped and anticipated shoe of 2020. Yes, the Air Dior Jordan 1s. Quick little background about this shoe is that this is Jordan and Dior's first ever collaboration. And they did not miss on this one at all, ladies and gentlemen. They made a high and low top version of this unique shoe, including clothing that were very nice but hard to get also. You had to enter a raffle system in order to purchase the shoe. Approximately 5 million plus entries have been recorded to buy this shoe. Unboxing this shoe, you can see that Dior has taken their time in packaging and making the shoe look presentable, with the bag and box having the main Air Dior logo on it. Opening the box, you can see that they have included 2 dust bags for the shoes, and the dust bags are labeled with the Air Dior symbol. Now getting deeper into the box, you'll be presented by the receipt, which the shoe is originally priced at $2,200, but after tax it ends up being a whopping $2,395.30. And now, what you guys have been all waiting for, and the reason why you guys clicked on this video, I present to you guys the Air Jordan Dior 1s. And let me just tell you guys something. The way this shoe has been manufactured, and all the stitching and everything, how it's all combined together, Dior and Jordan, it's absolutely crazy. And as I turn it to the bottom, you guys can see that it has the Air Dior logo with the icy blue soles. And then we also got our number, which was 5,190 out of 8,500. And then you guys can see that there was cork material in the bottom. And as I go into the right pair of the shoe, you guys can see that everything's the same besides the bottom. On this pair, it has the Dior instead of the Air Dior logo. But other than that, it's the same number, and on the tongue it has Dior Air on it. It's a really nice touch. And after the shoe, you guys can see that they've included a couple more things, like these extra pair of insoles, which actually have the Dior monogram logo on it, which is pretty dope. I would rather rock these than the original insoles. And then after the insoles, you guys can see that they've included 3 little navy blue dust bags, which come with the Air Dior logo on it. And in this little bag, it comes with like a cream white colored lace, which you guys can switch out. And now moving on to the second little navy blue bag, it actually comes with a metal Jumpman logo, which is pretty dope. For me, I don't think I would really rock it on the shoe. It's more of like something to show. And now moving on to the final thing in the box, the third navy blue bag. In this bag, you guys can see that it's an Air Dior metal logo, the same thing as the Jumpman. Again, I wouldn't really rock it, it's more for show. But that's really it for everything in the box. Hold up. Y'all thought we was finished? Yo, Zay Boogie, cue the B-rolls. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my first ever YouTube video. Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. In the comment section down below, let me know your thoughts on this shoe. Do you guys think this was worth the hype? Also, these shoes are for sale. I'll be leaving my business email in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's Z Got Kicks, and I'm out.